Cast it out, Evelyn. Whoa! Wow, that was a long cast. Way over there. You almost caught an Amarani fish, huh?
That was far.
That was really far.
Thank you.
You're learning, huh?
I'm already am learning.
You are.
It's hopping.
Good job, Elias. Wow, Evelyn, that's a good cast.
Thank you.
What are you going to catch today, Evelyn? Some bluegill?
A lot of blues.
A lot of blues.
Because I love blue.
Gotta love the blue. Good job, Elias. Reel it in.
Look at my blue fish.
That is a cute blue fish. Whoa. Where'd it go?